Lily, let's box. Come on, box. You box? Come on, box. Come on. She's like, hair in my eye, on my face. Huh?
Want me to film?
Yeah, you film it. You film it. I'm not doing anything. Film it. Hey! Come on. Hey, sit! Or lay. That works too. Come on.
Round 3.
Come on. Get your butt up. Come on. Whoa, there's a chair there. Lily, whoa. Come on. Lily, sit. Good girl.
Her eyes look like her eye shine is like blue.
Yeah, I know. Hey, Lily, sit. Alright. Enough. Lily. Yeah, 10 minutes. I got him at the phone. Show his head off the wall.
She's like, oh shit, he's chasing me.
That was a call. Alright, enough.
Where's the off switch?
But on the back.
No, I'm on the dog, dumbass.
I don't check her with me. Super bad dog.
She is far too big for that, babe. I know where the off button is on the camera.
It doesn't work.
Probably has someone to come get him. Hey.
I gotta call somebody.
You play.
Oh, hell, I call him back and answer. Hey! Don't be eating my controller. You already made the left joystick all full. Yeah, you chewed on my joystick. Oh, sounds wrong. Come on. Wait, there's a dress up here. I forgot the dress. Nope, lay down. I forgot the dress up here. Watch the biting.
Down.
Alright, hold on.